good, that's good. Yeah, man, we're back at it today again with the next epic one. Today we are reading with KJ over there at Jamaica.
2016.
At 16?
2016.
Eh?
At 2016? Sometime in time now, we don't remember.
I remember said, I think I want to meet up Jerk Center when they say police back gun, push gun there.
Yeah, take me out.
Yeah, but I want to talk about when they go public.
Oh, yeah.
Because if we meet up there, I want to meet up.
We meet up somewhere, man.
I believe on the Sunday we meet up.
We meet up the Sunday, I broke my foot the Sunday, same Sunday.
The same Sunday.
Yeah.
And then the day after, now the Monday, I take care of my mother go to embassy. And I bet the time I call her up, okay, just in Kingston Public Hospital.
Yeah, if we meet up with Torch, man. If we meet up with Torch and me down my yard on Sunday and me in my bed and I lie down there at the 12 o'clock. I'm here and you come call me, you know. And my mother call me and I say, yo, Kevin, you see if I don't have the field, them and carry you to play ball, don't go.
So your mother tell you not to go?
Yeah, man, my mother tell me. My mother said, I don't want you to go down there, you know. So I said, no, mama, man, I don't go down there. I just go over back of my yard, I go, man, where my nephew them there. So my mother said, if I wear your nephew them there, yes. But you say, if I don't have the field, don't go, I beg you. So I said, no. So my mother said, I'm hide and be a back, you know, get a thing, go, be a back bush. I reach down at the field. I never go to Jamaica to play football, because I never can, you know, I love my football, I don't care nothing, so I just roll up my pants foot and take off my shirt. Come out there and play football, you know, man. I mean, I tell you, we are play football till about 6 o'clock, you know. Every man about say them cold in a virgin. I mean, I say, I joke with them, man. I told me live in England, I mean, I say, the man them say them done. I walk off I feel, you know. I walk off I feel and a youth that we call Pumba. Say British and kick the ball up in the air. I mean, I go and I turn my turn, so you know. Say me I go, I catch me, I go catch the ball now, man. Because the man them say them done and I walk off. And me only hear gloom. Everybody upon the field, the man them say it come like when storm and piece of limb broke off our tree. Some of bones said, the biggest bone in my body, man broke, the man jumped straight in my hip in the blood. And break out me from my femur bone, you know, the biggest bone in your body, your femur bone, you know. Yeah. Push it to two sides, you know.
And the game done?
The game done. Me don't know this youth.
So you did that play?
Yeah, me tell you, so the man just come on up on the field and I don't know if I choke. But I don't know what to tell you. I don't know. And I me, see where my foot broke and my nephew they want to cut him up and thing. Me I say, no, peace. I mean, no, say my foot broke, you know. And I say, Lord, God. And the man have, the youth broke my foot, I drive a brand new Royal Floor, you know, Jeep, you know. And just I look for me and run, so, you know, nah, carry me to hospital, you know.
Yeah.
And when my mother brother come in and Della, you know. I said, I want to. I saw them put me in a car, you know, brother. And them have to want me go anyway. Now, it's too long. They carry me to hospital. Boom, from the little hospital, you know. In the morning, the man them say, you can't fly, you know. And when we go to boom and make a link with British Airways, because we want to come back to England and look for, you know. British Airways said, no, we can't carry up. We don't have no bed for the flight. The flight can have no bed. And you're injured, the doctor said you need to lie down flat. You can't sit down up. So I said, you want to stay down here? So when my brother asked the first hospital I go, my brother asked Marty Hospital, my brother asked the man to do the x-ray, say, yo, I said to the man, say, yo, how it look? And the man said, you can't tell the brother, the doctor has to tell him. But I said, no man, you can't, the doctor tell him. Man. So anyway, I'm in a pain and them came back in the waiting room. And I said, my brother come, and I look for me and water, run out of here and a ball. I said, I want to you. I said, my brother, you know, say my foot should have broke. I know your foot. I said, how what? I said, I tell you something, my brother. Oh, swallow. I man look to me and say, yo, you know, my man tell me, so you're not going nowhere not anytime soon. You can't leave yourself now. The man said, brother, your brother can't walk. Might even know. The man said, the doctor were x-ray me saying, when you see my foot, he's scared. He never say nothing like that. From my x-ray. Because when the doctor see me, them things says that truck lick me or a car. Them things I lick down me get, you know. Them can't believe a football, no. So me, when my brother tell me that, I say, we can't go fly. And then, and the doctor come and then whatever, tape up, whatever they want to do, and left me in a ward and say, Monday morning, bright and early, you are the first patient that touched down, public hospital. So I say, alright, might be me go to public, then we do something.
Nah, better.
Hell me go, Virgin. I mean, I'm going to put money in a pan in England for hospital at Jamaica. Jamaica there England, and I took my money in a pan and I said, what you mean? Hospital to paint up and they want this. I don't feel like I want to do them things there no more. I go to public and I hell me go. Because when I go to public, first, I go to public and them have me out, they dash me down like me some old murderer. No, dash me down like some old murderer or something so. Boom. Me there and sister was a woman, Ray and me there and the man them say, oh, me there on one stretcher. And the ambulance, the little van, and the ambulance, the IS bus where they say ambulance carry me. Shot drop me off and cut. Like the man them say, yo, we get rid of this man, you know, we don't want that trouble here too big. Look, so me there with my sister up at public and then boom. I say, I want to go on. People over public, nice and make me a patient out the door. People who want to see doctor. I say, no doctor no there. But true, when we live at Jamaica, I never end up in a hospital like that. And now, through me come to England and I work in a hospital where I see how it's different. So, me and a man say, see the big man there, yo, the doctor look like a wicked police. That's how the man walk. Like one police where, you know, them police where white shirt, tucked in and him neat and...
bad man,
you know,
police.
The man, I mean, I say, doctor, that man moves that. And him did that, I say, who put the man here, sir? I mean, you know. And the man say, yo, ambulance man, you know, cause you can't sit them up and thing, the sister tell him. I say, you can't see us, so you know. You can't move him, shift him down. So boom, he did, and some phone call I make in England, you know. And some phone call I make in England, and then my sister talk, nah, cause sister talk to somebody, and the person go say, here one no, go to him. So my sister go to him, and when my sister give him the phone and talk to certain people in England. By the time you quit me, I say, oh, me I go in a room so quick. In a office, in a doctor office, me there and I hear see.
Yeah.
Cause some money talk go on. Cause guess what now? When he hears say England me live, you know. Yeah, he hears England me live. So when he hear I speak to the English, I hear the English voice and I hear and he must say, you know, I can fix him back. I can fix him back to travel up. So he must say, yeah. So when the man and how much in million with them say, you know, to fix me back. I don't want to get here a Ferrari car. Money when the man say they want, so the man say, it's like them tell him say yes at the time. So right away then the man is supposed to move up some poor people with vex because it's like poor
money
people.
Money
run.
But that's how it goes. Yeah, you know, money run
Jamaica.
Money run
come
man.
and tell you that every man there make a save one little something because when the man hear about the money, you know, man, all of them old people and man all sit there, you know, poor people shift up, you know. And me go in a AC, lie down in a AC in a room, you know.
Yeah.
And me I get proper talking now, you know, because guess what? If I don't say I'm British.
Yeah.
And I say, oh, don't worry, you need to, yeah man, never fix you, and make you can go back up, you know. And I say, oh fine, start thank you, you know. And he say, listen, me never fix your public.
Yeah.
You send me up, wait, I don't remember your name, I never call her name, I don't remember your name, but you send me up uptown, I want hospital uptown. Can't remember right now. You supposed to, you know what I mean, I can't call H.
Hospital man.
Can't remember, but it's a private hospital. Boom! The man get all ambulance to me. I see ambulance come, boom, in ambulance, whoop! Up there. Then we go there. I see my sister go in and out of me in the ambulance in a broiling sun, you know, brother. Hot no, but me in the back of the ambulance, you know. I say, oh, me not going in. And my sister come and I see my brother-in-law come and I screw and I see them in and out, in and out. You don't know what the man do. The man send me this so now, so him and 3 and virgin are going to fix, say them are going to fix me, you know. So I feel that them are going to make a money, you know. So I send me up and virgin them, you know. You don't want to do it on a public, you know.
Him
and virgin them are going to fix me up at the place there. So now the money supposed to, they're supposed to look for at the front desk, they're supposed to see the money drop in our account. So the woman at the front desk now check and the money now drop. The money not reach, the money not reach, so they not come in. Yeah. And when the guy look bad at my sister, I said, no man. I saw them put me in them call him and I said, put him in a room, man. And when they put me in a room, I said, yeah. I saw hospital for look. Just like up in England here. And get a nice little bowl of soup. Alright, by the time I swallow the soup, the man then throw me out. By the time I swallow the soup, the man then throw me out, kick me out of the hospital. I remember saying my hip broke, and my femur bone, my knee cut, my hip broke in the blood. I don't know how that youth them broke my foot, so I don't know what.
So you don't get no treatment from them? What do you do?
Sorry, they send you back at public.
You see, when I there, and them say, Ray, you know what I call it?
Yeah.
England say,
yeah.
I never even know some insurance. I first got Jamaica insurance. It's a sign. I never got Jamaica insurance. I know. England insure me and I never know. So when we didn't know and they hear the amount of money and then call the insurance and that, the insurance said no. They are, what do you call that now? Like you say, what is like no. It's a human being. It's not a car or one of them sport car you fix. You can't want so much money to fix back a broke foot. So him said them insurance said no, we not give you that money. No.
Man, then things say them people like that, man.
Then go so boom. And before the ambulance turn and take all them soup from me, then throw me out.
Yes.
Me back in the ambulance. They say right away 2 man come for me and say, yo, the ambulance down there waiting on such man say we carry him back a public. Then go so boom, we go back in the ambulance. When we go in the ambulance will carry me in a virgin. Before the ambulance move, remember say my foot broke bad, I mean a big pain. Remember say no medication or nothing, you know. Remember say my hip broke me, yo. Brother, when the ambulance come, before the ambulance brother drive off, you know the man say, him and one girl come out with one book. And I write up and the girl say, yo, a $4,000 or something like that, I pay for carry back down in public, you know. The man said I have to pay that before.
So you have to pay for carry?
I have to pay the ambulance to carry back in public, brother. And God live it. And my sister do 2 minutes, my sister zipping back, pay them. Carry me in public. When we go to public now, then carry me in a round at the front where accident or emergency. Jesus Christ Almighty, God, I help on her. I don't care, I'm a country, I love my country. But they have to do something for poor people. And what we can do for the hospital, and them have to do it because me go there and that was 2016, virgin.
I know it now, the kind of worse.
See, me say when they carry me in the hospital, Virgin January. Me there, I'm in a pain, but me feel it for the poorer people.
And them on camera that.
And me there and them put me upon the ambulance drop me off and boom, and my sister there told them come and them ask me, and people are coming and a ball, you so tear off a man, this and because remember just after election, you know. So I don't know if them think we did in an election war or what. So me did that to them call me name. No, listen.
Oh, 2016 November. I thought me down that one.
Yeah?
Yeah, me down that.
You done that?
Yeah. 2016 election around November. Me down there. Me down there, see them as a talk.
So I go so boom. And them put me in, and I say, when they call me name, you know, listen what I say, you know, they call me name, that means they know so me there, you know. And when I say the man, then put me on a stretcher. Right now, up at the hospital when I work, the stretcher up at the hospital then where we da move this morning. A Benz and beam up to where they put me on down there. I say, man, they jump on a stretcher and even brakes on the pan it. No shit, nothing. Nothing. And my sister buy a sheet and 2 pillar. Me did it to them come and them tell 2 porter youths that we can't run a fracture clinic. That are near where the dead house. The dead house there so I mean there are some brother. And I said, John no star. So anyway, I hold it. I'm a country, I said, sure. You know? I mash up bad enough what I hold it and I say, I'm a country, I saw it go. I yard with it, I didn't think there, you know? I get to you, we know if you deal with it. So when I go around that place, brother, it come like a prison me I go. It don't come like a, I say I feel like me that go on prison, brother. Me I talk because more want people to know that. And I hears me have it in me and I not say nothing.
Straight.
I go there. And when I go in there, the 2 porter was so nice. And say, yo, fire here, so we all left. And then just left me.
Now party jail.
Yeah. You know, they shoot me in the wall and just left me. They up the sun there. So every time being lit me, I'm a move, it run away. The thing run away. And the birds on the fan. And I did there, brother, for too much in days in there, brother. My sister come buy me a sheet and a pill and put on it. Me not beard. Then if nobody not come to me, nobody not wipe me down, nobody not come to me, nobody not talk to me. Me just dead and
Not even a doctor that come to you.
when me go there, me ask a doctor, me say a doctor girl virgin. And me say, excuse me. And me never tell them say England me live. Because like you have to tell them say you're a foreigner, you have to be so big people picnic for them look on you certain way. So me just simple me say me ask her for a pill, brother, and know that woman they don't give me the pill. Me remember me I tell you, you know, say me hear the woman that talk about Kens. Then time I don't know when you're Kens. So them a plan what colour them a go wear to go the dance that Kens is our Portmore.
Yeah, me go in the regular.
See?
Kens, club them at
Yeah, man, Kens club, man.
talk about leave.
If I Kens, man, you know where the DJ, you know what okay?
See?
The nice.
So you don't know something there. And me there and me say, me not ask her again, me there and a God works. A Rasta brother come in. A God or Jah, whatever they want to call it. Send the youth in. The man come in with his finger. Remember me there and they don't give me a bed in the blood. Me can't get a bed. And when me look for the man them in the place in the blood, I come like a prison, you know, because man in a underpants, man in a this man. Nobody know, you know, like a nice, they don't have no night gown and so when me there in England and I put money in a pan and I throw money say, for the hospital. And them time me I say, I want it's bigger than me. So the end of the day, me did there and I say, boom, when the Rasta come in, and the Rasta become my eye, and my ears virgin. So every time the man did it and the man, he come like say, man, you know some man, he come from Grandspan. He might watch this, he see this, he might know himself. And the general no respect him. The man come in for his finger, brother, and they want to give him a bed. Me did it with me hip.
He come in for his finger.
A piece of
and
thing
they want to
a
give
piece
bed.
of thing run up in like, you know, run up in there, so, but he think he may take out the whole life, it swell up. So he come in the night there. He come there with his wife. See it? And they admit them say, alright, they want to keep him more, but he want to go out. And they want to give him a bed, brother.
You know, I think say him a bigger link than you, know. You say go?
For me there in the hospital, you know, blood. Just as how me drop in the grass and the dirt, you know, Jamaica get the football field. No shirt and my pants, my shorts roll up. I saw me there for days, you know, grass in my head. Me stinker than a madman. And they want to give and the man said, I don't want no bed. And the man sit down. Me there say, man get one boat stool. Sit down, sir, in the wall. Let me tell you, I say, every time I pain lick me, I turn and I hold it, you know. All the thing you will see out of me are some tears. I'm going to hold it. And the man just drop back the bed and say, yes, right, hold it for you. The man give me hand, you know, not the bad one. Give me hand and say, entire pain lick your brother. Squeeze it for fire. Just hold on for me hand, man. And some hold on for the man. And when the pain lick me, squeeze the hand, so. And use him foot and catch your bed, so, brother. Me and the Rasta. The Rasta, me don't want no bed. Because him fi have a bed. And if him don't get no bed, me don't want no bed. They still not give me no bed, brother. And me dead it. Me dead it, and I say me dead it. And God a work for a thing for me, you know. God a work. And me dead it. And then the same man, she not get the money. They no business with me.
Yeah, you no business with you.
So ward is like ward, we call it in England you say ward rounds, where the doctor and the nurse can go around and talk. What you doing, Mr. Wilson? What you doing today? And them say, oh, last night Mr. Wilson have a bit of cough on his chest. You know England thing, hospital work. Because doctor have to know we're going in the night. Me see a man, the same bad man come in like him for got some. A bad man doctor, me call him. We do one little, like at the scene and where you call him nurse, with the thing from the scene and nurse. Where I like it, I say, the supervisor that we want. The man a go round. No, it wasn't the bad man, next one. And the man a go look for me and I say, who that one there? I said, what kind of doctor this? Then I know it's over 10 years I work at hospital like that. So I just wait till him go on, then I just excuse me that. And he look around and say, yes. I say, you know that's not polite. I say, what? I say, that's not nice. You can't just see a patient and a new patient and I'll say, who that one there. I say, you can't address me like that. So he come closer to me and find out, say, I'm an idiot. And I say, no, you know, I say, no, I understand, so you don't mean it like that, but you can't address me like that. I say, there and no one even ask me. You know what man say? I don't have your family list, I know. I'm dead, you know, dog. I'm dead, they left me for dead, you know. I'm dead, brother, and nobody no did that. Boom. The Rasta say, oh, go on. You see a brother come in with a box. Like out the road in there, feed some food. And the man feed the man the food that give to the patient. And now, the Ras get food. The Ras need to eat it, brother.
And him come after you.
I say, yo, one thing I you tell him, I say, I don't know him. I know. What your name? I say, I don't know nothing about him. The man say, no, I can't blame the chef. The man say, no, get me name, I don't know nothing about me, never can no food for me. So the Ras say, yo, fire, you want my own? I say, no, the Ras need to eat it neither. The man, the doctor look, then run and carry the Ras to look after him, you know. And the Ras can go home now, you know, brother. The man refused to go home. The man say, nah, go home. Until this man left the hospital, till this man get through. The man sit down there with me and the Ras become me high, me ears, my foot. Remember, I can't walk in the blood. So now, my cousin, well, you know, I was say certain things and look there. So don't tell no one say you're English, you know. And then, I go foot. So my money was clean on my socks. I have 1 foot of socks. I mean, nobody couldn't take it out. So some you know trust the Ras and the Ras know. Some used to go in on my socks and the Ras go buy no water. Then me no feed, me no beer, me stink. When I tell the Ras, I say, stop talk about smell no man. Because you know we like with hygiene. And when my sister come and see me, my sister say, no, me say nobody. So my sister use the same bottle of water and wet one little green rag where, you know, we are buy with flannel and when we are going with flannel. And wipe my face and thing. Nobody knows business with me, brother. Me see one little cock-up nurse come in one morning. I see things say, true, she look. So me I say, excuse, I just call me a call to tell her, say, no, from when me I beg some painkiller. So me did a Monday, you know. So the whole Monday night, Tuesday morning, Tuesday. No painkiller, no. Remember, so no bone come to my blood, to my side, you know, brother. Me nearly count, me feel my bone, you know, blood, the biggest bone for my body, you know, brother. When that broke your whole body, go in a shock, you know, brother. Nothing, you know, Monday, Tuesday, you know. Me call the girl, you know. Tuesday morning, you know, I say, excuse me. My spirit go out for her, innit? So I say, excuse me. And she come over and I say, can I get some painkiller? She said, oh, no, me. You know, she got it there, so me here. The Ras here. I win. And that thing go to the next that. None of the next nurse don't know how me and you did the night. I win. And now she not come back to me. So me and my Ras there with me. And his wife I call him virgin. I say, oh, like man say, come up, where you there? Then I really say, already wait. I must say, me not left me, so you can't go and cuss. Then, me there too when my sister come here and say, my sister, me not pain, but me not feel it for myself. Because me I look on a brother like them turn the man upside down in a blood. Like his neck broke, but him not dead with some blood clot iron on the man neck, you know. Sorry for that man there, you know, brother. And more time I did there and tears I run out, and the man me I feel it fine, you know, brother. Even me with my blood upon me knee lick out, this lick out, you know, brother. So I stop feel my pain and I feel for the old man, you know. And the old man when the Ras go ask, we say, ask the man, and he say, yo, the government I say, he have to wait in line. No money. No money. Just sell on a coronation market, scallion and time, and then when me hear them, I give him a report the whole of my money. I take out my money out of my wallet and I give the Ras some and say, Ras, when I leave, me get to that part. Boom. Me there. Then me get some calls. Some calls start coming. Me get a call from England and me say, yo, the insurance said don't make nobody touch me because they never touch me already. Don't make no one touch me. There's a private jet have come from America for me. I say, whoa. Me not say nothing. My sister called me and tell me. And my sister say, yo, me get a call say, when me I come, I just your passport alone me to bring. That a Tuesday. The plane a come for you Wednesday. Me say them a call from America, I call them. Me not go swear call video. I call the people them down there, you know. In the fracture ward, I tell them, say, listen, we are come for Mr. Ray. Do you have a Mr. Ray? No. Every minute the plane grounded. Can't live. Then call England say, yes, him dead. Then call them back. Do you have? Me hear when the woman said there is no one here. I wait for a taxi, a jet or whatever. You don't know what them are do. They don't. Them are look you down. They can't believe
that somebody in
the ward, a private jet a come for. It pay for already, you know. So every minute the jet can't live. They must pay for the time for the tarmac, you know, brother. So the people them get money, you know. So then call back England again. So then they must say, nobody no in no private jet a come for the carry America. And the Ras, they say Ras. You know what I'm saying? How many names are so? I want to pick up the Ras also. Really fire? So the Ras just go up there, just stand up. I mean, ears, you know, and I listen to them. And the Ras say, oi, you know, so that youth there, one now look pan, you know, so they don't believe. They smile. My sister have to live in her blood. You know, so then the flight have to go so boom and them. Couldn't come for me. They don't get called that I choose them. The Wednesday then start call again. Because the plane to lift up for me, you know. The plane today at Jamaica from 12, you know. So they start call again. My sister have to run like a mad, come down there, you know. And my sister now take the call, then give my sister number to the people in America and the pilot them. Then call my sister, you know, and say, we're up on the tarmac, ready for lift. Do your brother there in the hospital? Can you see your brother in the hospital? My sister said, see my brother, I'm going to take the phone. I said, excuse me, Mike. Not the man said, okay, I'll see you in a minute. Not no more.
Mad.
I said, not no more. I'm in the hospital. I'm going to meet the dread and my sister know that. Not dread, the Rasta man. Correction, sorry. I'm going to meet and fire and my sister know. I just say, I'm not saying nothing. The Rasta, none of them know. Don't you mash up today. See what the man say, and it did mash up. My sister did, and my sister come. And all me there pan, you know. And the Rasta laugh and I say, yeah, easy. All me there pan, I said, you can't make me go to America so stink. I stink in the blood. I smell myself that I smell myself that I don't even like. I don't love. Hey, me and you know, yo, virgin. We are work different from when we know them type of people.
It's true.
So I say, my sister, you know what my sister said to him, say, Ras, I saw him stay, you know. My sister wet the rag again and ring out and wipe out me arm and, you know. And I said, look, my sister said, we even forgot the roll on, you know. And my sister said, just go on, man. And I said, cool. And my sister said, boom, and draft one t-shirt where she have on. Because she said, you know, I forgot the t-shirt. So I call back in husband and say, which one are you there with the car? One t-shirt in her back, at that time she'd have a Marseille jersey for me. So my sister just go so boom, she'd have one like a, you know, the marina where woman wear. So she just draw for a t-shirt and dry it on for me. I want t-shirt with me even gear. And I said, no man. And I said, no, put on back your t-shirt, he's a Christian woman. And she said, man, go down to go buy one. I said, no. Me go to America without no clothes, man. No good. I'm just in a little shorts. Did it. That's how my story start get nice. Get that card. Say plane, private jet land, and then you know all of them. Hey, when the ambulance come on, we are moving to the ambulance. And they know them they over airport, you know. Come like and carry that plane.
Yeah.
Did I hear pilot say plane land and they wait? They did roll it in the Rasta laugh. You put on in my soft. So hold this Rasta. See the old brother, the brother there when me attack heal it, and the rest was brother and say, you know, say, look at you, that's a big deal. And the man could have like, he must say thank you, but I just say in the pan. Hey, I say my ball, forgot about my pain in the blood. I'm there and boom, be nice, and I say security, come on, and police, and be nice, and I say what? And I see my brother and laugh, come around to and I laugh, and I say, yeah, me, oh. A white man that are the big doctor will come with them for me. A nurse, a two nurse, one black nurse.
So then the company plane.
Private jet man, oh, and a white girl, white nurse and a black nurse and a top doctor come for me. And the man they walk in, you know, some know it in England. When you do them things, you have the backpack with everything. Yo, when the man then come in on my that. And the man then walk in, you know, me. KJ stop public hospital, pause it so for a minute. Like
everybody want to know who that.
Me have people call nurse and doctor from way up and run and come down to see what go on in there. So can you see, look at dirty stinking you when them say, when they think I must election war me a fight and mash up. No brother, don't judge the book by the cover. Powerful, but just to me never did I chat up my mouth. Me I try to fit in with the role of my little Jamaican brother them one were in the be a man in the ward. So me fit in with them and I try to be just like them, cause that's where me from too. Me never in there enough. Oh, you know. No. And I mean that. The man then come in and I say, oh Mr. Smith. Sister say yes. And I say, lesser than 2 minutes me now feel no pain. Blood fly out of me in the hospital like something wake up. I kill me. Can you see the whole of the bad blood then where to come out and I go back down in my body? Then not just so you have to get blood clot. That's that thing said to me. The doctor said, by the time if you talk, the man said, tears start come on me here when I see man them man. With joy. The man said, no Mr. Smith, don't worry. We're gonna boom, scissors, shots. They're not taking people you don't know say up here. If you are in an accident, you know, your clothes there, you know. The man says, shut. Boxers alone. Needle up in this, needle in that. So who was? Blood just run out, so. I said, yo, brother. He said, I said, no.
In front of them down there.
I said, the place packed. People can't come in, people have to tip up.
And the thing is, I know they just want to know who this
I thought this is the type of operation.
I said, the place black police are tip up. I said that everybody are tip up. You know, I'm sure, let me tell you your life going on, blood. Brother, I'm dead, you know. And the Rasta say, yeah, I saw no deal with poor people. People not thinking me easy. And I say, every man is like a GP. Every patient get mad pandemic now.
Yeah, man.
I say, white man, I saw them deal with me. I saw them deal with left with them.
Yeah, man, I saw them deal with people out there, man.
Brother, listen me, brother. I say, the man them, the way the man them are deal with it. I saw them for sister them for deal with people. So you and them done with me. String me up. I said, no medication from Monday. And to them, no. She said, up the month, say, okay, boom, needle. Pause. Morphine, pain gone. Zoop, pain gone. We did it. See your blood clot woman and them, no, the woman and the top woman, the supervisor, when even look, we're supposed to make sure you know all about your what. See ya? I pick grass. I said, don't touch me. I said, do not touch me. Oh no, Mr. said, don't touch me. None of you will talk to me from Monday and today is Wednesday. And you all want to talk to me now. Yeah. No one give me painkiller. No one do nothing for me with an injury like this. The big doctor said to her, I said, do you have a file for her? No, the doctor said, you know what, I don't want to talk to you. See what a white man said to her.
Yeah, man.
The big man where around the world. The woman man said, I don't want to talk to you. You don't even have a file for him? Oh, I'm in here. He said, you know, Mr. Smith, let's get you out here. He's a plane waiting on you. Do that. I saw them on the with me and boom, bam, bam. No pain. Me I got America in no pain. The only thing me and Mona got America said. And I be a laugh, the woman I laugh. The nurse, I said,
so I'm not going to go.
Yeah, the woman I said, stop that. All me in the jet, all me in the ambulance, and all me in the jet, me I said, me don't like how me smell. I want to clean up. And the lady I said, stop that. You good. You need to smell. And I said, I don't love her. And the white man said, yo, stop it. That me I tell the woman take out that spirit and bag in a virgin. I won't ask me, just to make me shut up, you know. You think that's true? I don't know if I did the accident with me now and through them say the shock when my body going now. Me I just attack, but they could have smelled myself.
If you not be able to so much days, now we ask them. If you not be able to so much days, now we ask them.
When we reach airport, you know, I see plane, you know. And I said, no, any rapper you like by plane. And when I go to woman, I see one lady I run out back now at Jamaica airport. With the book in her and I say, hold on. And Uncle Tim, I go to America with him. I go to America barefoot. In my brief, in my boxers, no shirt, and dirty like dog the first time I go to America. And I hung my passport. You see? And when I there in a jet then, when I go a jet and two like Spanish pilot too, you know. And the man in coming and say, oh Mr. Smith, don't worry man. Get you phone out of the hospital in like an hour. And the first we go up on a plane and it take off so nicely. It like the man then land it that me say, me don't know if
I feel nothing.
No pain. Brother, when we go up there, when we go in a plane, I say me have to look around. Everything in a plane are cream leather, you know. TV like, when we see woman bust out, I say, I don't know a fridge there, sir. Juicy, I say, you want anything? I say, no. He said, well, everything you want, Mr. Smith, is on the plane. Me just shot me. And when me and I say, you land, when me look, me land in a Fort Lauderdale, and by the time I land, by the time I say, who that me in our ambulance, by the time I say, who that took me in a Fort Lauderdale hospital, when we wake up, the Thursday, I see two men come for me and say, yo, two big white man, the man look like Rustler. I say, Smith, we're going for a walk. I get all back. So I say, walk? We can't walk. We just come and my foot broke, but you didn't know that. He say, yeah, but we're going for a walk. And I did them and the man get back and the man laugh and the man I say, look at your foot. So I go, so, man, they make my back to. I say, how
overnight.
So you see the drip when they put on for me in the ambulance. You see when them done check me up and full out and me think say I bed me gonna sleep. The man them make me back. So when the man them come for me for walk, to show you how the man them good. The man them have me a walk. You saw long with it, remember I said you saw my foot broke bad. Me show you the picture. Brother, the man them make back me hip, you know. From here, so I be a iron and screw right now, you know, brother. Me have one thing they call it nail long saw. But inside of my bone, like if inside, not outside, you know. Inside, and then it screw them to my knee, and then they put on two straps up on that piece of bone here. So, yeah. You see, me get the man say come, and then come on big belt like where you say weightlifter use with some handle in it. And man then put that on the little waist and dry. When the man then lift me and tip me up to the man then lift me up on bed so. I say walk man. I say me can't walk. The man say walk on the foot. I come back and give me some pill. I say I feel pain. We're coming back tomorrow. I say no. And give me some pill and I feel pain, but the pill them bad.
You see you go do?
And I say the man they never stop to me. I tell you say by the Sunday me I walk by myself with stroller. Me I walk by myself. Me I'm going in the bathroom because me have a room. Then pay for all that. Me don't even feel like me in the hospital. Me feel like me in a 10-star hotel. And then me did this by myself. I'm say you see when you live good, there's how, and you see when you know to behave yourself. Me say the amount of, me not tell no lie, the amount of girl, the woman nurse, them white, black, me not tell no lie, brother. And when me I go a problem in the hospital, people are asking me, say, I want to see how I work, you know.
Yeah.
I get work in a theater there, you know, as a porter, you know. He said, no, man, I'm good. Brother, people ain't take care of me, brother. The people ain't take, you have one day there, saying go and leave America, Jamaican. So she got America from, she almost say 6 years old. She said, yo, me have too much brother. Yo, the woman strip me from here, and what? Me in a bathroom, and the woman that strip me from here, be me naked as the day. He said, call me cage, I'm telling you, call me cage, you know what I mean?
It's shake up, man. It's shake up.
They treat me bad. And the best life, when me I come back, when me come back, you know, then them have to send a nurse again, you know. A Fort Lauderdale, you know. for me not be. Me and fear say, no man. I think me just come up by myself. Them send a nurse.
Nurse come up with that.
From England, them send a nurse to me again. So a nurse fly with me come back to England, you know, brother. Me fly from one of the big Virgin, you know. Me never know say I saw when them say upstairs. Me never know say
downstairs.
We get a free flight up.
I never know say bar in a plane.
Yeah, man, we get a free flight up there.
You know say when me reach here, I 2 white man lift me.
DJ, see tell them to go mobile there.
Look man, them hold hands.
One
hold hands. And the woman say sit down in here, so. And me sit down there, me lie home, and get me straight upstairs. I say you want to sit at the bar, you sit at the bar, and them say you want nothing, so me look on the nurse. It's a man nurse, that nurse. That kind job to come for citizen anywhere in the world, income. I'm look on him so. And he said, but you see your medication and what them give America. And he said, don't take that. Drink. Yo, you have them up on me heart. You know, so the medication my wife costs me wicked. Because I have them up on me heart and one of them. No, some wicked medicine, so I take them. It's not cure pain where you feel. I can't go and show you. Not cure the pain you feel. That's what I take them.
Pain gone.
I'm high as a kite. High, I feel nice. Them up on me and I couldn't say no, not take them because people buy them, you know. You know, so people sell them.
Yeah, man, people take them as drugs.
Yeah. I'm going to come back, lie down in a bed, cover up with feather quilt. When I land and eat rolling, I don't know, you know. I'm down here, for. I'm down here for nearly a year, man. No work. You know what good. You know England, so that them do me at Jamaica.
Them thing, and that thing that where they at Jamaica is shake up. You know, say one night I see me go out and dance at Yuatan. And me in the line. Blows on. Me in the line, you know. And a youth. Me in the line, me there so, one there so. So me order drinks to me and my brother. One youth come here so now. After me, you know, I order too. You know, so the girl deal with him.
Yes.
You know why the girl deal with him?
I'm a bad man.
No, he must spend US.
Oh.
And me spend Jamaican. And me say to me, how comes me there so long? And this man come and you have to serve him before me. You know the girl look at me straight and tell me say, a US must spend.
Yeah.
You say that share that to me? I say okay then, no problem. I said go. I said fine. When next girl come to deal with me, I said no. Make that more that girl deal with me. You know what I do? Put back the Jamaican money and pocket.
I draw some pound.
Pound pocket.
Yes.
I'm not even go for 10 or 20 pound or 50 pound note. I go find out.
Yeah, man.
And go so. When she come now, serve me. Sorry about that here. A US must spend. That's why I just made him fast.
A pound
I say okay then fine, no worries. I say yo, give me 2 Magnum. Me 3 Magnum. Me and my cousin did that, my brother. I say give me 3 Magnum. When she can't then come put them down, me just go so. 50 pound in her hand.
Yes.
Come, deal with me now.
Yeah.
I saw them stay, man.
She look on the 50 pound. How much money this? I don't even know how much money this. I said that bigger than the US. See what I'm telling her? I said that bigger than the US. I said collect for your drinks and out of that. She don't know nothing. You know what she do? She call the promoter for the dance. And when the promoter come, you at send me there. Based on him Tony Mataran and Swatch the there. When the promoter come, the promoter ain't know nothing about the pound either. But all the thing he knows say, yo, this big. 50 pound in her hand, big and broad, cover a whole of him hand. He don't know nothing what to do with it. I just said to her, I say, yo, I don't sound to deal with people no, because he must spend in the US. That means he's supposed to put him in front of the next person because he must spend Jamaican money. You understand? I just take back my 50 pound from him and put it back in my pocket. And when I put it back in, I just push it back in, I take out the coyote, you know. I make them see more in and put it back in. Go in the Jamaican pocket. I say, California liquor, man. California liquor and give back the change. Just because me I spend Jamaican and the city and youth I spend US.
And you did a long time.
And me did it before the youth. And I be hard to come tell him about say, him sorry about that because he must spend US.
Yeah, you're mad.
I say, me just drop a big 50 pound note in her hand, man. Collect, man. She don't know nothing about them the money there. But we are doing it right there, so. I say God in my yard, you know, to deal with people better than now because people have money. Nobody no better than nobody, bro.
A long time this happened to me, I'm not saying nothing about
nobody no better than nobody.
Nobody no better than nobody.
And I saw them deal with things in my yard. When you have them see a person.
Poor people feel
poor
it.
People, him poor. Him gone at the back of the line.
No, if you do that, man.
Because a person, they not want to have money, you know, just pretend like you have money, just look like you have money.
Yeah.
And you, everybody up front.
All that way I want. We not disrespect nobody. That's what I'm saying.
But that's the truth. And that's the truth.
They never deal with me good.
And that's the truth. Any the dog assistant, you see if you go there and tell them, say, yo, England me come from,
They man look after you because you go give them something. Cause watch this. You know, so when the doctor, the big doctor, the white guy said, me never know say my insurance pay for carry somebody. I could have carry a medical student from Jamaica with me, anyone I nurse them, you know. Because the guy said, who's coming with me? You know, say the girl we tell about how we man come back to me. You know, my friend met me go. I said no.
No.
I said I don't know. I said no, I don't know. I said, can my sister come? Them said no, it have to be a medical. I said, well, I'm here alone going to America. I could have carried her, you know. I mean, I don't care if you want to run off or whatever. I could have carried her and I would have put her up. Because place is dead if she stay.
Yeah, they would have put her up. It's simple. All she have to do is just don't look down upon nobody, Bridget.
She never asked. Them a talk about Kens. Kens them a talk. Them time you don't even know when name Kens.
Yeah, man,
Kens they were talking about. I leave me there in a pain. I leave me in a pain.
Yeah, they're gonna kill that
Oh, you don't want me to tell
Why
you
you
to
carry
carry
her?
her.
All she have to do is just, if she didn't do for her job, just do your job.
When you talk
The man want pill, you give him 2 painkillers. Alright guys, like, share and subscribe.
Like, share and subscribe, you know.
Alright,
We have part 3.
We have part 1, we have part 2, 3 and 4 are coming.
Yeah.
Boom. Out.
Out
Yeah.
there.